Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are covering how to use PIM command in AutoCAD using navigation bar. If you have found yourself lost in a large drawing or just need to shift your view around, this is a video for you. Let's look at the navigation bar. You can find it usually in the right side of your AutoCAD workshop. It's a toolbar with selection of navigation tools to help you move around your drawing. To use the pin command, start by clicking on the pin tool in navigation bar. This tool looks like a hand icon. Once you click it, you'll notice your cursor change to a hand icon. This indicates that you are now in the pin mode. Click and hold the left mouse button. Then drag your mouse to move you around. You're not changing the drawing or zoom level, just shifting the perspective. To exit the pin mode, simply release the mouse button. Click Escape button on the keyboard to remove pin mode. The view will stay where you move it, and you can continue working on your drawing. Using the pin command with the navigation bar is a great way to navigate through your drawing efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.